Hi everyone, welcome to Learning by Doing with Praveen Kannan. This is Praveen. In this Java playlist, you will learn pattern program step by step. This is Java programming session number 15, pattern 9, reverse alphabet row pattern. If you are confident about learning, please like this video, subscribe our channel for more update. Please click the bell icon and select all notifications. Don't choose personalized, you may miss some session updates. Let's get started. In our previous session, we are discussed in the reverse number row pattern. In this session, we'll discuss about the reverse alphabet row pattern. Same logic. Instead of numbers, we are trying with the alphabets. Prerequisites, please watch the session number 11 to 14. We'll get an idea. While discussing about the session number 13, we have displayed like this. Line number E means, the input is E. Each and every line numbers is printing in a reverse order, E, D, C, B, A. For your reference, I already simplified the logic. Forward direction means A to E you are printing. Reverse direction means E to A. Anyhow, both side you are exiting only 5 times. Here also 5 times, here also 5 times. Only the order is changed. Reverse manner we are printing. So according to that, we have to plan I. You can keep it in a same state, I equal to n, I greater than or equal to a, or I equal to a, I less than or equal to n. That's your you. Okay, that's your opinion completely. Like mathematics, you can solve it in n number of ways, but at last we need the exact answer. That's it. So I'm going with the same logic, only j I'm changing, because each and a time the inner loop starts from the beginning. Automatically, which variable is remembering in your mind? J, because each and every time the inner loop will start from the beginning. I hope you will remember about this. Each and every time it start from the beginning. Here also it start from the EDCBA. Start from scratch in each and every time. So for that I'm changing the J value now N, because N means example in my sample input, E means it start from the E to A. So changing the condition, J greater than or equal to A. Decrement operator I'm using, J decrement, post decrement. Reason is I should change it. Okay, so J equal to this time. If my sample input is I'm starting from, what is that? D means 68, 68 greater than or equal to 65. J value is decrementing. Got it? So change the variable as J. First you'll check the output. Are you getting the sample output or not? Example, if my sample input is capital E, look at this output EDCBA. This time I'm going to execute in a debugging mode as usual. Click the start button. I'm giving my input as D. So now the current n value is what is in the memory? D. Can you able to see this? So D greater than or equal to A. Condition is true. It will enter into the inner for loop. It will enter the inner for loop J. Okay. So what is the n value? D. So now it is assigned to J. What's the J value here after? D. So D greater than or equal to A. So what's the D Unicode value? 68. Unicode value of A is 65. Condition is true. 4 times this loop will be executed. So what's the current J value? D. So D is printed in the output screen. You can able to see it. Next, after that, decrement by 1. Already it is D. Now decrement by 1 means what's the value? 67. What's the 67 Unicode character? C. So current J value is now C. C will be printed now. You can able to see in the output screen. Similarly, J value will be decremented by 1. What's the current J value? B. So B is printed now. Afterwards, again decrement by 1 means A. This is the last iteration. A is printed. Yes. Next, after A, decrement means condition is failed, because Unicode value. Next, after decrement means what's the value? 64. So 65 greater than or equal to 64 means condition is failed. Now the control will be transferred to the new line, this line. New line will be printed. Now cursor is moving on to the new line. You are going to decrement the I value. Already the I value is D. Now after changing, what's the I value? C. Inner loop always as usual will exit from the beginning. I am not going to explain in depth manner because we already discussed a lot. Okay, so in abstract level I'm explaining again. J will exit from the beginning. So I J value equal to n means capital D, A value 65, D value is 68. Four times this loop will be executed, but each entry will exit from the beginning. What's the J value now? D. So D greater than or equal to A means four times it will be printed. D, C, B. After decrement, what's the J value? B. B will be printed now. Again, we are decrementing the J value. What is that? A. So A is printed now. After decrement condition is failed, now it will move on to the new line. Cursor will move on to the third line. You can able to see it. Please, while I'm explaining, watch this output screen and then this variable allocation screen, memory screen, allocation area. Afterwards, again we are decrementing the J value. What is the J value now? Sorry, J I value decrementing. What's the already the current I value? See after decrement, it is B. You can able to see it here, B. So again, J value start from the beginning. J value is now D. D greater than or equal to A means four times this loop will be executed. Now D will be printed. After decrement, C will be printed. You can able to see in the output screen. After this again, J value will be decremented. B will be printed. Again decrementing means A value will be printed. Yes, after the condition is failed, it will move on to the system.out.println. New line will be printed. The cursor will be moved to the last line. Now I value will be decremented by 1. Already it is B. Decremented by 1 means now it is A. You can able to see this last iteration. A greater than or equal to A. Again inner loop J will exit from the beginning. So I J value is what is that here after D. D greater than or equal to A condition is true. That is 68 greater than or equal to 65. Internally it is happening Unicode value. Condition is true. J value is D is printed. J value will be decremented Y by 1 means J value is C. C will be printed now. After decrement, what is that? B. B is printing. Again decrement by 1 means A is printing. Afterwards again condition is failed. Now will cursor will move on from this inner outer loop I to new line. So that's it. We got the output as per sample input output. Same logic we are tried. What you have discussed in session number 14. So if you found this session useful, please like this video, click the bell icon. In that bell icon, choose all notifications, then only you can get all the updates. Subscribe the channel for more updates. If you found this session useful, please comment in the chat box. Always suggestions are welcome. Thanks for watching.